Well, first you need to cut some triangles for their beaks. You have an orange rectangle. You need to make some cuts to make triangles.
3 cuts.
Yes, that should do it. You want triangles for beaks. Avia's got her beaks on.
Now where are the googly eyes?
Time for googly eyes.
Googly.
Now the googly eyes have a tiny piece of paper on the back. They are stickers. Yeah, they're stickers. So if you can get off the tiny piece of paper, then you should be able to stick them on using their sticky bit.
I think this one has the piece of paper off. Ta-da! Then I can look at this beautiful ribbon.
Ooh, you got some gold.
Stripy ribbon. Do we have any more ribbon? Time to decorate. What do you think, kids?
All right.
Out to find.
Let me zoom in. Wow. Okay, now like that.